Good day, everybody. So we're here on a beautiful day at Damien's Bay, Trinidad. Take a look. But unfortunately, in Trinidad, beauty always has the beast and the ugliness as well. So let me give you a walkthrough real quick. We're actually here to clean up this beach today. Now, we chose Damien Bay. We actually cleaned this a while back. And the reason we do here so often is because there's some popular beach on the north coast in Blanchisseuse that people like to camp and come and lime, but this is what happens when they do. And it's often because people come here in buses like the one you're seeing behind me, although they have not littered yet, so I've given them the blind for now. And they just leave us at a mess. Alright guys, so you see the damage, we're here to clean it. Funny enough, as we're speaking right now, it's looking like a whole set of people come in. I hope the intention is not litter. I'll show them in the background there. So in case you see any trash after we leave here, we know the culprits.
HBS.
So let me show you the cleaning crew today. First up, what's your name there?
Kavita.
Kavita?
Yes.
And you are here to help us clean?
Yes, I am.
Are you disappointed by the pollution?
Very, very
terrible.
terrible.
Well, thank you and welcome on board.
Sure.
We have this familiar face here.
Yeah.
Kaz, Kaze, Kazan.
Well, we come to clean the beach. Come to clean the beach today. You know, when we finish, the beach could be clean. The only trash here could be me.
Yeah, the only trash is you. I see you have on your surgical gloves as well.
Going and clean.
Very good, very good. Next up, we have the man Dumplin. Dumplin, you ready for action?
Stop being ignorant and lazy. Take your garbage home with you.
Very good. Stop being ignorant and lazy. We have the wildlife master, Adam.
Esteban.
Esteban. Colombian from the last video.
No habla.
No habla español. Or English, sorry. The normal Jono.
What's up?
How are you feeling about today?
Good.
Good?
Have to do a little cleanup.
A little cleanup. Very good. And last but not least, Devindra.
Dave from Just Trippin'.
Just tripping toes.
Yes.
And you have on some proper gloves.
Yep.
You're looking like one of those people who break into museums and that kind of thing and steal things. Is that what you do?
Not really, but
Good.
it's only low.
Good. And this is the whole squad here. And before we dive into it, let me shout out today's sponsors. We've been fortunate enough to be given some snacks by Sweet Beet. They've given us some black bean brownies, some barbecue pumpkin seeds, and then some real fresh lime juice and orange juice from Fresh Start Juices. So thank you very much. They are aligning themselves with a great cause. We have garbage bags, we have everything. We have Esteban. We're ready to start, so we're going to clean up this beach. We have Happy Camper. Happy Camper, I'm not too sure. There's so many. Alright guys, so we do a little walk around, talk to some of the people helping the clean up. But first of all, we have a new addition. What's your name, my boy?
My name is Aaron.
Aaron?
Yep.
And Aaron, we found you randomly taking pictures on the beach and you decided to help.
Yeah, normal. I like what you're doing.
I appreciate it. And give one piece of advice to the people of Trinidad and Tobago to keep the country clean.
Don't litter. Just do it.
Don't litter.
Keep the country clean. Keep the country looking nice.
I like that attitude. Yeah. We have next up here my partner Kavita.
Hi.
So Kavita, two things before you give your advice. You said you have a page you want to shout out.
Yes, so Happy Camper. So we know we love to camp in lovely places. This is one of the places we would like to camp in. What we came and saw here today is a big no-no.
Big failure.
Big.
Big failure. Okay,
Yeah,
so check out Happy Camper on Instagram. And one piece of advice for the old or young, any generation of Trinidad.
If you don't leave your room or your home in this state, don't do it to our pretty beaches, please.
Exactly.
Please.
Keep things good.
Yeah.
And you have a full bag there.
Yes.
Looking real good. Alright, let me check Esteban. I've heard you've been practicing English lessons, so you can talk to us a little bit.
Yeah. Last time, this is the second time we clean up this beach for the year.
Second time.
Last time was very bad. This time we don't have layers. We just have one surface layer.
Okay.
So it's getting better, slowly but surely. But again, pick up after yourselves, bring a garbage bag to the beach, throw away your garbage. It's not that hard.
Agreed. You know, you think we'll ever learn as a country?
In time.
In time.
When
Decades.
When the mentality changes, we'll change.
Nice. Blessings, man.
Yeah, man.
So we come into the main man here, Jono. Just a quick word for the public. Well, you know they're familiar with you big time. How are you feeling about what you're seeing today, and what advice can we give people watching this video?
Well, it's not as bad as it was the first time. We really just need to start like embarrassing our friends and then when they littering. Like, you really need to start taking responsibility because it's just real repetitive and it's just getting real old.
Completely agree.
Yeah, like if we want any kind of tourism sector and thing, we really gotta keep the beaches clean, keep the rivers clean. Like, that's our biggest problem. Like, we just don't like to keep things clean now.
For real.
So
John was spitting facts there, so you know what? Maybe it's time we start to embarrass people a little bit in this country, or friends or people we don't know. You know, I'm not saying go out and be aggressive to people, but simple things. Don't throw it out your window, don't leave it on the beach, don't fold it up in a garbage bag and hang it from a tree. That don't work. Nobody's come fit. And you can't rely on beach cleanups and river cleanups for the rest of your life, you know? So just something to keep in mind. Mr. Dumplin, loudmouth of the crew. So tell me two things. How are you feeling about what's going on the beach right now, and what advice can you give to people who want to assist with cleaning up Trinidad?
My advice is very simple. If you plan to leave home and leave your garbage on the beach, do us all a favor and just stay home.
Stay home. You heard right from Dumplin mouth, he said don't come out if you're littering. Just stay home and, you know, help all of us out, including the animals, I might add, you know. So one more man to check. Let me check him. And my bad, it's two more men to check. And they over here doing the far reaches of the beach. We go start up with the homie here, Devindra.
Yeah.
I'm saying that correct?
Yeah, Devindra.
Right, so you all as the last people are asking the same question. How do you feel about what you've seen at the beach today, and what can we tell people who are watching this video to help improve the country a little bit?
Well, there's a lot of garbage here, and I mean, you all come into the beach to enjoy. You meet it pristine, try to leave it that same way. There's really no reason to be leaving garbage. It's a simple thing to just walk with some bags and carry it back, because one family, that's what, like 4 people, you just pack up your stuff and carry it back with you. The same way you bring it, you can carry it back home.
Right? So the message is, from a boy here, the same way you bring it, you can carry it back home, and bring less. Just don't leave it here. Dispose of it properly. You came to the beach because you like the beach and it's pretty, right?
And
so,
this isn't just for the beaches, it's for the rivers, because when we hiking, we try to bring out some of the garbage from other people, apart from bringing out our own, and there's a lot of garbage.
way too much garbage. Everywhere in Trinidad, every Trini is just like the litter. We had to break that habit real big time. And shout out your Instagram page there.
Oh, I'm from Just Tripping TT, the hiking group, and well, tour and shuttle service.
No problem, I'll link your Instagram down below. Blessings.
Yeah,
And last but not least, the myth, the legend.
Legend. Be seen, guys.
Hi there, let me get in some light. Stand up here, right there. Yeah, look how you're bright now. Right, so 2 questions, and talk loud. 1, how you feel about the trash you see today?
Disappointing. But it's a usual thing on our Trinidad beach. Disappointing.
And the rivers.
All over, not just beach and rivers. The whole of Trinidad.
Would you say Trinidad has a littering problem?
Definitely. 105%.
I hear that.
Yeah.
And what advice can we give to anybody watching this video, the kids, the grown-ups who going out into Trinidad and to keep it clean? What can they do?
Well, I'd like to say, because of what we're doing today, we hope to inspire other people to do the same. It doesn't take much to carry a bag of garbage out when you come in. Also, you know, always have to be Alan doing it. You could do it by yourself. There's the ICC International Coastal Cleanup. You could join them. A lot of other groups do it as well. So hopefully we could inspire some, especially the younger generations, to keep the place clean and come out to help as well.
Blessed, my brother.
Blessed.
Thank you. So he touched on something really important there. You don't need a Trini Surfer or a popular person or any group to help you clean. You could go by yourself. You could go with 2 friends and just start to clean up. We are nothing special, you know. We just showed up with some garbage bags and we clean in. So happens I'm making a video, but that's it. You can make a video too. So come now, guys. Trinidad deserves so much better, and you feel happier and better when you go out and you keep things clean. So let me do better, and I'm going to show off some of the beauty while we finish cleaning up, and I'll show you the after results as well. Bless up. Of course, this video is mainly about garbage and clean up beach and somewhat disappointing, but let me just remind you why we should keep it clean. Look at the beauty we're surrounded by now. These rivers. So there's really no reason for us to be leaving this dirty, man. You know, I don't think anywhere in the country should be dirty, but we should take extra care about rivers and beaches for wildlife, for us, just for peace of mind. Who don't come to the beach or rivers and feel much better in themselves and in their bodies after a beautiful day in nature. So we can't do that if it's filled up with plastic and garbage and diapers and food box and thing. So let me try and do a little better and protect this. And of course, it's not only by the garbage area in the beach, but you have to walk the actual beach like my boy here and look all along the ground, because they always have plastics and bottles caught along the cliffside and all up inside all the driftwood and that kind of thing. So it's good to clean up the main beach, but always walk the beach and the rivers to see if there's excess trash anyway. Man like Dumplin enjoying the snacks from Sweet Beet. So just so you know, these are gluten-free brownies made from black beans, but it tastes better than real brownies, in my opinion. So we're very, very grateful for it. Chocolate chips in it too, so it have a little badness as well. I give it a wash down with our fresh start now. A little fresh start wash down there. Nice. Blessings to the sponsors and all the people who sponsor these videos, whether it's cleanups, hikes, beaches, always welcome and good thing to align yourself with. We're trying to make Trinidad bigger and better, you know? Go forward. How much bags do you have there, buddy? Give a nice count. 28 bags. Last time we were here, we had 36 or something. So I don't know if you want to consider that an improvement, but too quick. And let me just get a picture of everybody now. Pull in. Alright, get close. Right guys, so a successful day. I have Devendra and Kazi here, John will stand up on the side. So we're just letting you know what we plan to do now. There's no obvious garbage disposal at this beach. Nobody's picking it up. This is why we encourage people to take home their trash and dispose of it properly from the beach. So this garbage here, that you're seeing all this here, we're taking it by Las CUEVAS, where there's a proper dump that actually has a collection routine going. So please do not leave your garbage at any beaches, any rivers. People don't normally pick it up. What are you fellas saying?
I agree with you.
You agree?
I agree with you.
You agree?
Yeah, pick up your rubbish.
Yes, that's all. Do you agree?
Yeah.
John was very calm with the camera in his face. Who have advice? Which one? My boy here, what's your name? His name is Nana. But he believes in not littering as well, right?
Yeah,
that's good. Well done, my boy. Blessings. Yes, boss. So we reached. Time to offload. Looks like some people was missing the offloading spot, but we're throwing it here. So while this is not beautiful or ideal either, at least we know somebody will collect this garbage and dispose of it properly. Right, Kavita?
Yep.
Although not the prettiest looking thing.
It's full, but
it's full.
we have somewhere to put all this.
Yeah, we're better here than the beach, right?
Yeah.
Right, squad. Thank you for coming along with us today. I want to thank my crew here, Devendra, Kaze, Colombian man, Adam is your name, and you have the Sweet Beet brownies. Everybody have their juices. Jono, thank you. Yeah, the juice is real good, the brownie real good. Thank you very much. And Dumplin, thank you. Squad, big up yourself. Thank you very much for coming out. You guys keep the beaches clean. I'm going away next week, but I'll still try and put out a video. Big up, one love.